Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're talking about a groundbreaking discovery. Earth's inner core is slowing down. What does this mean, and how do we know? Let's find out. What is Earth's inner core? Earth is made up of several layers: the crust, mantle, outer core, and inner core. The inner core is a solid ball of iron and nickel, sitting at the center of our planet. It's incredibly hot, almost as hot as the surface of the sun. So how did scientists discover that the inner core's rotation is slowing down? They used seismic waves from earthquakes. These waves travel through different layers of Earth and change speed depending on what they pass through. By studying these waves over decades, scientists noticed that the inner core's rotation speed has been changing. Why does inner core rotation matter? The inner core's rotation is important because it affects Earth's magnetic field. This magnetic field protects us from harmful solar radiation and helps with navigation. Changes in the inner core can influence the strength and direction of this field. If the inner core's rotation slows down or reverses, it could impact Earth's magnetic field. While this won't cause immediate changes, over long periods, it could lead to shifts in the magnetic field that might affect navigation systems and even animal migration patterns. Here are some fun facts. Did you know the inner core grows slightly as the outer core cools and solidifies? Or that the core's rotation speed changes in cycles of about 70 years? Our planet is truly dynamic. To sum up, scientists have found that Earth's inner core rotation is slowing down and might be reversing. This affects our magnetic field and could have long-term impacts on our planet. It's a reminder of how dynamic and ever-changing Earth is. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting science content. See you next time.